Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Exercise for lesson 3. Okay. Now, this symbol right here with one dot on top, it's called a noon. This is another way of writing noon. Usually, this symbol is placed on top of another letter. So, when you see a one dot on top of the symbol, it's called a noon. And when you see a dot below the symbol, below the same symbol, it's a ba. So noon, ba, noon, ba, tha, ta marbuta, ta marbuta. So remember, if it has two dots on top, it's a ta marbuta. If it doesn't have two dots on top, then it's called a ha. So ta marbuta, ain, ain. We mentioned earlier that people, they get confused with this ayn and ha. But remember, the easy way to remember to recognize is that ha has a long beak like a bird, and ayn does not have a long beak. So ayn, ayn, ta marbuta, ta marbuta. Yeah, so it has two dots on top, so it's a ta marbuta. Fa, because it has one dot on top of the circle. So it's called a fa, fa, ha, ha. If it has two dots on top, then it's a ta marbuta. So here it doesn't have any two dots. So it's called ha, softly from the chest, ha, ghain, ghain, qaf. So it has two dots on top of the circle, qaf, so fa, qaf, ya, so two dots at the bottom, ya, ta, so this is a regular ta, right? Ta, lam alif, so this part right here is lam, and this part right here is alif. So lam alif, lam alif, kaf lam, kaf lam. So this is a little bit different in comparison to this type of kaf, but this is also kaf. So kaf lam, so this part right here is kaf, and this is lam. Kaf lam, kaf lam, mim ta marbuta, mim ta marbuta, ba ha, ba ha. So see the similarities? See, this one has two dots, so it's a ta marbuta. This one does not have a two dots, so it's a ha. So ba ha, softly, ba ha, sad ta marbuta, sad is full mouth, sad ta marbuta. See, it's similar to this one right here, but it has two dots on top, so it's a ta marbuta. Sad ta marbuta, ain ha, ain ha. So this part, similar to this one, it does not have any dots, so it's a ha. Ain ha, ain ha, hamza ain, hamza ain. We mentioned earlier, this one looks like a ha, but it does not have a long beak, so it has to be ain. So hamza ain, hamza ain, ba ghain, ba ghain, nun ain, nun ain, ba qaf, ba qaf. Now see this symbol right here? That's a noon, right? See this? It's this symbol. So this symbol is used when you want to place it on top of another letter. So this letter at the bottom is called jim. So noon jim, noon jim, noon jim, ya mim, ya mim. Now this right here is kaf. So kaf alif, kaf alif, ta ya. So this part right here is a ta. So in the previous lesson, we mentioned about that a half ya is used when you want to place another letter on top of it. So all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at the bottom is all it's ya, and on the top there's different letters there. So ta ya, so a letter with two dots on top is ta. Tha, ya. A letter with 3 dots is tha. Tha, ya. A letter with 1 dot at the bottom, or you can see a little bit on the side, it's ba. So ba, ya. Ba, ya. Lam, ya. See this little lam? So lam, ya. Lam, ya. Nun, ya. Nun, ya. So there's another type of noon. Right? So one type of noon we learned is this one right here. Another type right here. And a third type right here. So nun, ya. Nun, ya.